Hi everyone, today we are going to do a color volcano eruption experiment. So, what you are going to need is a plastic cup, water, vinegar, baking soda, dish soap, food coloring or washable paint, a teaspoon measurement, a tablespoon measurement, a mixing spoon, a cup measurement, and a tray or some type of container to put the plastic cup in for when it erupts. So now that we have all of our ingredients, let's get started. You're going to take your plastic container or cup and put it into or on top of your tray or your container, and you're going to add water to your plastic cup. Now you're going to add a teaspoon of dish soap. So take your teaspoon measurement and put some dish soap in there, and then you are going to add that to the water. Now you are going to add your food coloring or your paint, whichever you are using. And next you're going to add 4 tablespoons of baking soda. 1, 2, 3, and if you pay close attention, when you pour it in, you can hear the water start to bubble. So now you're going to take your mixing spoon and mix all of your ingredients together in your cup. You want to mix everything really well so that nothing is settled at the bottom and it's all mixed together. Okay, that looks mixed enough. So now you're going to take your cup measurement and your vinegar, and you're going to put a cup of vinegar into your cup of water. So we're going to measure 1 cup of vinegar, and we are going to add it in to see what happens. And as you can see, it is erupting. Now, if you want to, you can do the same thing using a different color. I will see you next Friday for another experiment, and have a great weekend. Bye, everyone.